Good. Down controlled with it. Exhaling up. Down controlled. One more here. Good. Right to that other side. Good. Keep that leg straight, toe pointed back towards you. One more. Very nice. Into our unilateral deadbug. So get those knees up. Get some in your eye there.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So knees at 90 degrees, extending out and up, driving that low back into the ground, one leg at a time. You get those hands straight up in the air.
Okay.
Big breath in on the way out. Exhaling back. Let's point those feet up higher. Hold it out for that split second. Yeah, right there. Right there. Split second hold. Exhale back. Control the entire time. Nice fluid pace out. Hold. Fluid pace back. One more each way. Good. Very nice. Very nice. We're going into our alternating bridge pickup here. So get those feet back, bridge as high as you can, squeezing those glutes the entire time. Keep those hips up high. Pick the heel up 1 inch from the ground. Good. There we go. Keeping those hips up, squeezing those glutes. Good. 2, let's get to 5. 3, staying up there with those hips, nice and high. 1 more each way. Good. 5 reps, down and up. Big squeeze at the top, each rep. Little split second hold. Good. Exhaling up. 2 more. Last one. All right, what we're going to do from here, Ben, stick the legs straight in the air. Both of them? Yeah.
Both of them?
Yeah, both of them. Put the hands under the butt. Bring the legs down until I tell you to stop. Stop. I just want you to breathe. Holding that hollow hold for 20 seconds. Pushing that low back into the mat, even with your hands under the butt. 10 more seconds. And good. Come on down. Very nice.